Hello, this is Radio King, and this is the last installation of the 7-inch radio for Honda Insight. Same radio can also fit the Honda Fit or Honda Race. With this radio you got 2 USBs. You can listen music or watch movies through them. You also got external microphone for the better phone quality. You can connect your phone, iPhone or Android, any phone probably that has Bluetooth, you can connect to this radio. If you have steering controls, it will work. Here is no steering controls. Also the back camera is optional. If you have one, we can connect it. If you don't have one, we can install it. So you got all the Irish stations. You can listen to any radio over here. Also you has Google Maps navigation. You can watch YouTube, you can browse, you can download any app from Play Store as well. That's all.